prepare, like mentally musukhohliwe ukuthi abantu bayakwazi. Then mengiphuma nje ngihambele yabo ngeshop, I'm just being myself. Then I'm like, oh shucks, why are people looking at me? Then I get social anxiety. But then I'm always with my sister, so I'm going to relax at Mbali. But yeah, I do get social anxiety sometimes. I would also like to add, but my agency sends me advert castings. I love advert castings actually. They're quick, they straight to the point, they're creative, I love them. Okay, thank you guys. What was your first TV role? It was on ETV. It's Peto. It was a lead role. Ever been with a gangster? Good question. I think I have. It's just that men never show that they're gangsters, but every man has a bit of gangsterism in them. Every hip hop star is coming to boxing. iTools, Kaume tools, and don't go. Oh man. Let's face reality. How does it feel that the idea of being in public eye, people placing certain expectations to you, which some you can't deliver? Example, assuming you must be driving a certain car. I want you guys. Also, I don't want to make it a public eye thing, but with everyone and anyone, like even when you're a doctor, look, they expect you. Oh, doctor, drive BM, what drive some like these German cars, these luxury cars. People think like that. You can't change that. Like, it's just a fact, you know. I'm lucky to have come across a few people that are really moneyed, but they just choose to not drive these fancy cars and maybe have a beautiful mansion or invest in other things. I've come across a lot of those, especially in Cape Town. But man in Mali, guys, but like umuntu namafarm mumbona uchile naye, and it's just like, you don't even seem like you're the person that owns all these hotels in South Africa, you know. So I think it's a mindset thing. If it's tabanguti, having money is looking flashy, then that's what we believe and that's what we think. And with our industry, it's tricky because I think we have to be attractive, Tina, so that you guys can be able to want to watch us, you know. And sometimes we want to be ourselves, and you guys still like that. So, guys, it's confusing. That's why you just always have to be yourself. That's why a lot of people in interviews also say be yourself, because so pitani ngondo, if we go with what people want, you know. I would like to tattoo your eyes on my arm and your name. You've been a star. How will you tattoo my eyes? How are we gonna know it's my eyes or it's just the eyes? When is Isono Sam Uktandu Muntongenanda Banami coming out? Soon. Guys, the music is not easy. Oh, whoever thinks I'm gonna be music, it is not. But yeah. Vele ngeke usiphe sonke attention. Okay. How many cars do you have? I've got. Do I have to count my mom's cars or Mbalenhle? Like writer, director, here's the question. Do you still have another talent in the film industry? Actress, being a writer, director, producer, etc. I mean, I'm sure I do. It's just that I haven't explored it. I have a production company, so I'm still going to explore that. I director before my own stuff. Like my followers back then know that I've tried out all of that, and I'm still going to. I even went on a writing camp, so I can say I'm a storyliner as well. But to write and put together a script, I think that needs practice. But yeah. Can you please say my name? Oh, langa kopa manja, guys. Okay, cool. I think I'm behind with the questions again. Do you ever get bored? I do get bored. When I get bored, I sleep. Or I just sit and overthink. But I do get bored. Njenga wonke umuntu. Awu phela ngumuntu nami guys. Phela ngumuntu nami. So you say music, is it really hard? It is. Man, ayikho into emhlabeni elula guys. Ayikho nje into emhlabeni elula besides just breathing. That's the only easy thing. Nakhona yo go hectic but breathe along. Okay, cool. Let me play my song for the last time and then love and leave you guys. Thank you for all the questions. 2 seconds of getting to know me. I appreciate y'all. And I see that you guys are obsessed with my acting. And ngakaboni lutho. Khona ama-movie azayo, guys, that I shot last year and another one this year. Angizili ukuzodlala. Ngifuna ukuni-entertainer. Angizili ukuzodlala. Do you deal with hate comments if ever you receive? I do receive them, but I don't deal with them. The most I can do is just show Sam and say, who is this? It's probably someone we know or just a hater we don't know, but we don't care. And then we delete and move on. But I don't really, I can't, guys. Yonke engakuhlanyisa kwi-industry leyo if you deal with those comments. Because of the followers we have and stuff, so crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, cool. Let me play my single for you guys.